Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. If you are looking to clean up your Facebook profile and delete all shared posts in one click, in today's video I will show you a quick and easy method to do that. Let's dive right in. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Facebook app on your phone. Once you are on Facebook, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you are here, click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. Once you are in the Settings and Privacy section, you have to scroll down and find Activity Log. Here you can see the option of Activity Log in the Your Activity section. Okay, so once you are here, you will see an option of Your Facebook Activity. Click on it. And now scroll down and you will see an option of Manage Posts. Tap on it. Okay, so if you want to delete all shared posts on Facebook in one click, just click on Filter. Now click on Categories. Okay, so now you have to click on Your Posts, Photos and Videos. Okay, so now select the number of posts you wanted to delete. Okay, so once you have selected it, click on Trash. Now click on Move to Trash. And that's it. All your shared posts are now deleted in one click. It's a super handy tool for quickly cleaning up your Facebook profile. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.